Introducing the ClamBell, the only fire alarm bell designed and manufactured in the UK. Its unique hinged design and permanently fitted gong means the ClamBell can be installed in under 2 minutes. Available as standard in red, white and grey, all with a modern matte finish. The ClamBell looks great out of the box, but customizable pad printing allows suppliers to put their own stamp on the product. Mounting options for internal flush wiring to IP56 weatherproof applications. And voltage options from 12 to 230 volts make the ClamBell a truly global product. One that's internationally approved to EN 54 Part 3 and UL 464. Plus, with its excellent sonorous tone and our rigorous inspection process, the ClamBell is reassuringly reliable. Innovative design, international approval, world-class technology. That's what makes the ClamBell the fire bell of the future.